Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about how to find my WIX website on Google. So the simple answer is, if you want to see or visible your website on Google, you must need to index with Google. If your pages or web pages indexed, Google indexed it, then you can see your website on Google. Otherwise, not. So I'm gonna show you one thing. Here you can see determine whether your site is already included in Google site search index. Simply do a quick site search using your site's homepage URL. You have to copy the homepage URL. For example, a site search for Wix would take the form of site wix.com. If the search result display pages from your website, then your site is indeed on Google. So you have got your answer, guys. Okay, so uh, basically, if your site is indexed on Google, you can see the pages or web pages if your SEO and other things is good. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.